Dear students, welcome back to Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. In the previous video, we have discussed the basis of charge of income tax. So in that, the first principle, the basis that we said, it is an annual taxing system, which means the tax to be paid during this year and the assessment will be taken in the next year called assessment year. But there are certain situations wherein the tax liability for the assessee during the previous year will be assessed in the same year itself. First one, for example, a non-resident shipping company comes to India of passenger carriage or livestock carriage or goods carriage, and they earn some income from India or Indian port, and considering their total receipts, 7.5% of that receipts will be considered as the income, and they have to make the payment towards the income tax authority before they leave the port. Secondly, income of persons leaving India. So here in this case, this person is leaving India permanently and he is not having an intention to come back to India in a short while, so that he can settle the liability here in the previous year itself and he can travel. Third case, income of an association of person or body of individual or artificial juridical person formed for a particular event or for a particular task, and that task is over, that task is completed. Income of association of person or body of individual or artificial juridical person which is set up for a particular task or for a particular event, and that mission is over, so that they can wind up that business or that activity, because that activity is over and they can pay off the liability the same year itself, because they don't want to continue that association or they don't want to continue that body entity. So everyone or the members in that entity want to be relieved from that, and before relieving they can set off the tax liability. That is possible. This is another example for the general rule, exception to the general rule. Then transfer of property to avoid tax. Transfer of property to avoid tax liability. If in the opinion of the assessing officer, an assessee is likely to transfer his property to avoid tax liability through reducing his total income of that person for that period from the expiry of the previous year for the assessment year to the date when the assessing officer commences proceedings under section 175 shall be chargeable to tax in the same assessment year itself. Similarly, on discontinuance of the business, suppose the business is closed, that entity was set up for a particular purpose and the business is closed. In that case, in that circumstances, the assessee can file the tax liability the same year itself, and he can set off the tax liability and they can be free from the liability of tax. So my dear friends, these points are the exemption to the general rule. These are the exemption to the general rule in the sense that in the general rule, the income of a particular year will be assessed in the next year. the tax will be paid in the same year, but normally the assessment will takes place in the next year. But these under these circumstances or under these cases, the tax liability will be assessed in the same year itself at the rate prescribed for advance tax payment during the relevant financial year. Hope this video is useful. Please watch it, subscribe it and share it if it is useful. Thank you very much.